I'm Hana. No, the flower in Japanese, just Hana. I'm Hana everyone and nice to meet you. By the way, this is my social media. I hope you follow this because we can be friends. So now, what are we gonna doing right now? Okay, real question. I just wanna ask you guys, have you ever been in a family situation where everyone is agreed to hide something important, something big, and it is important, and you're just sitting there like, why is it feeling wrong? But I am the only one who just feeling it. Yes, Sam, I'm feeling it, and then it's something worse. Because honestly, sometimes keeping quiet is harder than telling the truth. And that situation happens in my life once. And I feel like, okay, so it's not real. Is it real? But a quick story. So, I was in my family moment and my family agenda where everyone decided to tell someone about the full truth. They decided not to tell someone about this full truth because they thought it would protect them. But in my opinion, it's not. Because when you have something serious, when you have something important, you have to tell people about that. But because it's connected to my family tradition where we have bad truth or we have bad information, we don't tell somebody, we don't tell someone the full truth because they thought it was protective, but it's not. It's just make the truth as keep it for a sec, not forever. I remember I said before that I understand why they do like this or why they act like this, but I still doesn't get it. I still don't fit with that situation. That's exactly what I feel after I watched this film, and then I want to tell all of you about this. So, The Farewell is story about Billy, a Chinese American woman who returns to China after knowing about her grandmother, Nai Nai, has terminal cancer. So, instead telling the Nai Nai the truth, Billy and her family decided to keep it secret and create a fake weddings as an excuse to gather everyone together. Actually, this feeling is not loud or dramatic, but it's fully a small moment that such as phone call, talking with others, have family time, sharing meals or dinner, but it show love. That's it about the synopsis, and now I will tell you about the plot. The story begins in New York when Billy lives alone, struggling with money and feel lonely. But her strongest comes from her grandmother's Nai Nai, whom she talks every day on the phone. But the main conflict comes when Billy knows that Nainai diagnosed cancer, and everyone, entire family, decided to keep it secret. She struggled because she believed that that telling the truth is the best decision you have to make. Then the story moved to Changchun.
Meanwhile,
Changchun, China, when the family decided to meet fake wedding. The emotional moment happens when Billy almost tells Nainai the truth, but she stopped herself to telling the truth. Billy and Nainai spend quiet time together, like talking, working together, eating together, and joking together. Until the end of this film, Billy and her family still keep it a secret and still fight because maybe it's the best decision ever. I will telling you about the issue, especially the multicultural issue in this film. But before going deeper, multicultural issue have two sides: the inclusivity and the tokenism. The strongest issue in this film is hybridity. I just read the story itself, so don't blame me, please. According to Homi K. Baba explained hybridity as a condition where a person lives between cultures and form an identity that is mixed, unstable, and constantly negotiating. This person exists in a church space. From this issue, we can clearly see in the scene when Billy and her family talk about either they tell Nainai the truth or just keep it silent. These scenes show hybridity because Billy's value come from her American upbringing, while her family's value come from Chinese tradition. Arthur represents this issue deeply. She loved her culture, but she questioned it. The second issue is Identity Crisis by Erik Erikson. According to Erikson, I will read again. Identity crisis happens when person face conflicting expectation. Billy experiences this during a family gathering where she is dazed from being too American. This moment makes her question where she truly belongs. The issue appears here because Billy is expected to adapt without questioning. This is the last issue in this film, is language barrier and cultural identity. Billy can speak Mandarin, but she cannot share her emotions. She cannot express the emotion through it. This reflects her whole idea. Identity is shaped by experience and belonging. Even inside her family, Billy feels emotionally distant. The issue in this film is 4, I think, or 4. Baba say identity is formed in the space in between. And honestly, that in between space, that's where the most of us are. So. If you ever felt like you don't fully belong anywhere, the film is for you. Thank you so much everyone for listening to me and for watching this video.